Hi there, my name is Sam Rathling. I'm a LinkedIn expert and social selling strategist. I'm the best-selling author of Linked Inbound and Linked Outbound, which are two books that help companies to get more business from the LinkedIn platform. In June, I'll be running a workshop specifically to help you on how to unlock and leverage the LinkedIn platform for more business, more brand awareness, and in order for you to convert real clients and real customers from this platform. Over the years, I've helped companies generate over £169 million worth of closed business from LinkedIn. And in the workshop, I'm going to be giving you 3 core activities to focus on if you want to build your business, raise brand awareness, and get more customers from LinkedIn. So I can't wait to see you all there. I look forward to sharing some top tips around how to do that. We'll be looking at your LinkedIn profiles. We'll be talking about the social selling index. We'll be looking at how you can use outreach and outbound activities to generate conversations with prospects. We'll also be looking at how you can drive inbound inquiries to your business through building your personal brand, putting out great content, and being very visible on the platform. If you're currently in the background, kind of lurking, maybe watching what's going on, but not really part of the action right now, this will be a very practical workshop to help you to really unlock how to, really turn the LinkedIn activities that you're doing into real customers. So I can't wait to see you there. Make sure you get registered, and I'll see you all in June.